Hello, welcome to Tech Guys channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make money with Skrill and Neteller via Binance. Why I say Skrill and Neteller? Because they are basically the same thing. Why I say Skrill and Neteller is they are basically the same thing. So if you go to Play Store, you download Skrill. Look at it, I've already downloaded mine. Or you download Neteller. They're basically the same thing. I think what works, the cards that work on Skrill also work on Neteller based on my own observation. So once look at Skrill, look at Skrill. You go to, let me add that if I want to register. Now you go to account, you register with your first name, last name, email, password, country Nigeria, currency, and NGN. Once you register, they will tell you to upload some documents. The documents I use for verification is a voter's card and NEPA bill to confirm. So once you register, they'll not tell you to rotate your head. They will tell you to rotate your head clockwise. Once you rotate your head in a clockwise direction, it will be confirmed. Now, once you are confirmed, let me log in. Let me log with my account. Exercise some little patience. So once you log in, you make sure you are a true Skriller. Let me show what I mean. So okay, make sure you are a true Skriller. Look at my own. My skill level is called what? Is true Skriller. Before you transact, make sure you are a true Skriller. To avoid story that touches the heart, make sure you are a true Skriller. I repeat, to avoid story that touches the heart. So once you are a true Skriller, you will go to deposit, click on add card, add your card number, expiring date, and CVV. So once you add it, if you want to know the card that works, you have to enter my Telegram channel. The link is on the description. And my Binance, you can also use my Binance and sign up so that you will receive a bonus and I too will receive a bonus. It's an affiliate link. So once you click on, let's continue. Once you click on card number, expiring date, and CVV, you click on continue. Once you click on continue, you'll be redirected to a place where you put your OTP. So once you put your OTP, they send to you, your account will be credited. So the main thing I want to do is how you can now use the money via Binance and make your profit. So what will I go? Go to Binance.com or use the app. I love using the app because it's more easier for me. I told you the same thing. This is the same thing with Neteller. What happens with Skrill also happens with Neteller. Now let's go to Binance. Okay, it's my Binance. Let it load. Okay, once you go, you make sure you are verified. Also verified on Binance. You can use my Binance link, so you get a percentage trading fee. Why I also receive some percentage. So click on pay to pay. Once you click on pay to pay, you change the currency to USD. Look at it. Once you change the currency to USD, you come to filter, change it to Skrill Money Brokers. You can click on only show as for merchants. This will help you to avoid scammers. once you click on only show ads for merchants, you look for the money accredited. Nigerian banks offers I think $100 each month. Some banks also offer that above that, like Zenith Bank offer $180. So you will buy based on the amount you have, like, and look at the percentage. 93.36, 98.50, 91. They are good because I can click on them. I click on only show as much as. You can also unclick it, but the main thing I want to tell you is that look at their percentage trading fee. Look at the percentage trading fee. Now let's buy from this guy. So you understand what I mean? Let's buy from him. Click on what? Buy with this guy. I want to buy from him. Look at his percentage. How much do I want to buy? I want to buy $100. Sorry, $100. Click on what? Buy with zero fee. Okay. I send the Skrill payment, so you can chat him up. Let's chat him up. Okay. I will make the payment now. It's not compulsory, so I just want to show you. Okay. Please give me your Skrill email or phone number. Okay, he has given me a Skrill email. Copy it. Once you copy it, okay, go to Skrill. Let's remove this Neteller. You go to Skrill, click on send crypto. Remember you said $100. That's the amount I'm going to pay. I think that what we specify, $100, which is going to be 96.71 USDT. Let's go to Skrill paste. Sorry, what did I copy? You need to be very fast. Copy, paste. Look at it, to Edu Frank as gmail.com. Now click $100. That's what they're paying. Remember the fee. So they are going to charge you $1.45. So once we subtract and see how much we make. $1.45. That's what they're going to charge us. Click on continue. Click. Go to dashboard. Okay, look at it. Money sent. Just screenshot this one. Sorry, this is what I'm going to screenshot. I've sent the money. Now go to Binance. Money sent. Money sent. Please confirm. Go to payment, Eddie Frank. Okay, see his name safe. Okay, I see his review. Go to payment, payment page. Okay, see his Skrill email self. Look at it. Sorry, to payment page. You need to copy this in because it has been long I did this, so I did it last month, so I couldn't remember. Click on transfer, notify seller. Let's see what goes. He has transferred this thing for me. Click on done. Okay. Order completed. Order completed. USD, are you seeing it? 96.71. That's the money I received. So I believe you understand what I said. So this is how to fund it. Now I was debited when I will show you something. First of foremost, I did deposits. No, dashboard, sorry. CO. Okay, I did $50. You will see it on the screen. I did $50 with my bank. If you want to know the MasterCard I use, you need to enter my Telegram group. I will show you the MasterCard I use. So I did $50. I was charged $1.25. I also did $1.25. That's what I was charged, and my bank debited me around, you see on the screen, my bank debited around 24,710 naira for 789 kobo for this $50. So we're going to subtract it. Also, when I did $47, which amount to $48, sorry, $47, they charged me $1.18, which is $48.18. The bank also debited me with this amount on the screen. So we're now going to do calculation and see what we have. So let's do the math. If at $51.25 USD, my bank charged me what? 24,610. Let's see how much. 610.89 naira. Now at $100 USD, how much will they charge me? So we want to know our profit. At $100, they will charge me X. Remember, we paid for transfer fee of, let me just check. So I'll add it together. So at 100, we pay for transfer fee of 1.45. So just say at 101.45. That's the transfer. We added the transfer fee. How much will I be charged? What is my capital? I want to know the capital. So we do 51.25 x times, so equals to what? We are going to do it. Where's my calculator? And we are going to do 24.610. Sorry, 24,610.89 times 101.45. We divide by what? 51.25. So at 101.55, which we charge 48,717.55. I want to show you how much I'm going to sell and how much I'm going to make with $100. So let's sell it. So once you come to this place, you change it. You want to sell it, you change it to NGN and change it to NGN. Once you change to NGN, you click on sell. Once you click on sell, we look for people that will accept our rates. Let's look for people that will accept our rates. Okay, let's filter. Maybe let's take from 20,000. Bank transfer. Yes. 463. 462. So let's continue searching. Let me remove the filtration. Let me remove it, and we search. We are going to get, I'm looking for at least favorable market, maybe 465. That's what I'm looking for. Let's assume we set to this guy, but the rate is poor, 75.6. So I need to look at the what I call it, their percentage rating. So I assume I'm selling to this guy. So how much do we receive in USD? I think 96.71, 7 something. Let's just say $96 and 96 USD. 96 USD. How much will you be receiving? You'll be receiving, are you seeing it here? You'll be receiving 54,768.00. The market is not favorable now, so I will sell it later. I just want to show you how much I'll be receiving. So if you subtract it, let's subtract 54,768 minus 48,717. We are making 6,000. We are making 6,000 naira here. That's how much you are making. You are making what? 6,000 naira here. So this is how you can make money via Skrill or Neteller and Binance. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. This will help me to produce for content. It's not easy to produce kind of video, so I did by experience. Why I didn't sell? Because of the market is not favorable. Couldn't see somebody that will start higher price, but you can sell it small to this. But look at the rating. The rating should be what you should consign, or you come to filter and say do only show ads from merchants. This help you to remove scammers. So I believe I did my best. Have a nice day.